Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Capcut with your project open. Import the clip you want voiceover for and place the playhead where speech begins. Tap the clip, then choose text-to-speech from the toolbar. If you don't see it, open More or Audio Text-to-Speech. Once done, pick a language and voice category so the tone matches your content. Make sure to preview short segments. That saves time before generating the full narration. Now you'll paste or type the exact script into the text-to-speech field. Punctuation matters for natural pauses, so add commas and periods where you want breath. Next, select a voice and tweak speed or pitch to fit style, slower for tutorials, faster for teasers. Once you preview a 5 to 10 second clip, adjust the generated audio length by trimming or splitting the clip on the timeline so words align with on-screen actions. Transitions should feel conversational. Finish by baking the TTS into your timeline or exporting the audio track. This locks timing for final edits. Make sure to lower background track volume and add a short fade in and fade out for smoothness. If the TTS sounds robotic, switch to a different voice model or rework punctuation and sentence breaks. Shorter sentences often sound more natural. If generation fails, restart the app or re-import the clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.